When it comes to getting into cracks, corners, crevices, and porous surfaces, loose absorbents have an advantage over many absorbent socks and pads.
T-minus 2 minutes.
Before you get started, check the bag or container to see if any personal protective equipment or PPE is required. Since loose absorbents tend to be dusty, safety goggles and particulate respirators are sometimes required or recommended. Loose absorbents can be used to form a dike if the spill hasn't already been contained. To form a dike, pour the material directly from the bag or container around the perimeter of the spill. Some loose absorbents like corn cob form a decent dike, while others like cat litter and sawdust aren't quite as effective. Loose absorbents can also be scooped from the bags or containers. Once the spill's been contained, loose absorbents can be broadcast over the spill to absorb it. This is most commonly done by shaking the absorbent directly from the bag or by scooping and sprinkling it over the spill. After the spill's been covered, start from the outside and work toward the center. Use a broom to work the loose absorbent into the porous surfaces, cracks, gaps, and corners. Continue sweeping toward the center of the spill. Finish up by shoveling the spent materials into a collection bag or container, and be sure to dispose of it in accordance with any applicable regulations. Loose absorbent should never be left in place after a response, regardless of the product's marketing claims. Loose absorbent should be handled in the same manner as other absorbents and other spill response wastes. If you're looking for faster response tools, check out our drills on absorbent socks, booms, and pads.